welcome to Mom's Little Vlogger. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper lantern. Let's start. It's so easy to make. To make a lantern, you will need a glue stick, sticky notes, three A4 sheets of paper, a ruler, a pencil, 3 cm paper, and scissors. Let's start. A4 sheet of paper, turn it around, take this side to the other, match it properly. Okay, now we will take our scissors and cut snips. Okay, now that we are done with our strips of paper, we will open it up and then from here we will attach it like this. Measure it out how you want it. Then take your glue stick. Now, you know that you did it correct if it bounces like this. Then, if you would like, you could use your ruler. You could use your ruler to line it up and cut it. And that's perfect. Then, you know that piece we cut out? Yeah, that piece, we take that piece and use it for the handle. So we have to measure it. We will cut that out. We will use this leftover piece for any other crafts. Then, you see this? We will remove the top, like that. Then we will take the lantern and put on the hanger. You have to glue it. It's and you know it's right if it bends like this. It looks like a flower. Then we will use these 2 papers to make a frill. First, you want to measure both of your papers on the lantern. You could measure one of them because they both are the same. We'll measure it out on the lantern. So we fold it up and cut it into pieces. Then we measure it. Snip, snip, snip. Oh, this is gonna take a long time. All done. And now we measure this properly and put it under here. Now we have to glue all around and fit it inside. And then put your hand through. So tall, it's taller than my head. Now that we are done, the frills and the body, we will take our sticky notes. We will take one sticky note, put it in the shape of a diamond, and I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to stick with the glue. Then I will stick it together. Pull it back a little bit, and boom! We have to make so many of them to fit around. Now that we're done with this, we are going to move on to the next process, the flower. So now we will need to fold it like this. Then we'll take our pencil. Make a flower shape. There we go. A small flower. Then we'll take one of these 8 and put it in the middle. Now we'll need to glue this. Doesn't it look so pretty? Now for all of these, we will need to make one flower. Now we are done with our 8 flowers. Now we will attach it all around the lantern. First we glue it around the handle. It's all done. Look how cool it looks.